Hello, Americans. Another friend subscribes around the world. Went to grab my flannel. It's a little bit nippy, but crazy, man. And the creek is flowing. Creek is rising. Need me some pitch in the trading post, man. So I'm gonna get me some of that. Yeah, man, check that. It looks like something's boiling up there, don't it? Yes, sir. This is how little Idaho Hillbilly kids roll in the winter. Even the little blonde girl. We'll call her Pinky today. Just thinking one of the things that I pretty should have let the camera roll. Just, you know, more for if you live along a river or creek or any water thing, is letting your kids or grandkids, you know, no, man, I completely instructed them, do not go down or get close to that creek today. It's flowing pretty good, and ice chunks going down it, and don't, man, do not even get close to that thing. All right, so let's see, what is that old hillbilly gonna do today? Today, right now, I got that pitch in here, just getting the fire going, man. It's only about 52 degrees out here in the trading post, but you can't see it back there. But today is that, I guess you can't see it, where that green and white box, that is my goal. That pile is the goal today. The oh, and firewood. I've got to round up some more firewood, and then I'm trying to drag that pile, you know, the big pile out there, trying to get it up, pulled up. You know, I ain't gonna just focus right on that because it's really not that important. Oh, look at these, man. Look at these, man. The kids made me these. Christmas. Pretty cute. And then Tevin got me a long cord. And TNT. Oh, Sissy got me snacks. Look at that, man. Kids got the Volkswagen buses. I had two of them. They thought I kept one. And then TNT got me a rubber tree. Crazy kids over there, right there. I love it. And Sour Patch Kids, them babies are going somewhere else. I'm not a huge Sour Patch Kids guy, but good kids. I love my saltwater taffy. This is natural. It's here as soon as all these crazy snacks and fudge and all that Christmas stuff, I'm going back because I'm pretty big on the not eating fructose corn syrup, and caramel coloring is actually worse for you than fructose corn syrup. If you don't believe me, Google it. Say, man. Because everybody, oh, you're so full of crap, man. But right now, dude, I've got everything from Fun Dips to candy canes to, whoa. I won't be doing that. No fructose corn syrup or anything till my Tootsie Rolls are gone. Oh, yeah, that stuff's so bad for you, man, but it's so dang good. So I'm going to start working on that. Firewood. And then we were thinking about going down today. Well, we got, obviously, man, I got the grandkids today. All three of them because they're out of school. So we'll be doing some grandpa grandbaby stuff today. Not a lot to do though, man. When it's not that bad out there right now, but the wind's starting to kick up, man. And then you get that wind blowing off that snow, man. Then it gets bad. All right, man, I'm gonna get busy. Pretty much, man, just to check in. That's what I'm doing today. That's what you get. I don't know when we're gonna adventure out. Because I do want to get, I don't know if I'm going up or I'm going down, but I'm definitely going to get me some of them. I don't know if I'm going up or I'm going down, but I'm going to town. But I need all the cells, man, because there's some pretty good cells on butter and all that stuff. And then this morning I was listening to old Divine. I always do this name. It's such a cool name, but I always mess it up. But I was watching DAP 2030, man. Go check it out. Boy, some of the stuff, which I've been hearing, some from him, some from others. I don't listen to a ton of stuff. He's one that I definitely, dude, he's spot on, man. Hitting this stuff just crazy, dude. It's scary. And I'll tell you what, 2023 is not looking good, so pull your britches up, buckle them up tight, because it's going to be a hell of a ride. That's all I got. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Helps keep the lights on, the home fires burning, and propane tanks, fool. Check out the links below, the t-shirts, and the stickers, and the eBay store, man. I'll definitely be, that's that whole pile of stuff right there that I was pointing at. That whole pile, 90% of it's resale stuff, so that's one of the reasons it's piled up there, because I got that desk that I was going to put there. Well, that pile ended up there before the desk. Now I got to clear it out so I can put the desk there so I can put that stuff on the desk. Got it? Good Lord willing. Them creeks don't rise. We'll be back again tomorrow. See ya.